Today we're looking at the 2017 GMC Terrain SLT in an Onyx Black. This one is powered by a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our jet black interior, leather heated seats on both sides, with of course our red stitching along the middle. And if we follow that stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. Of course, up top we have our leather wrapped steering wheel. And inside you'll find our infotainment system with Bluetooth capabilities to go alongside the built-in navigation. Of course, right below that we do have our volume scroll wheel, and further down you'll find our climate controls. Making our way further down, you'll find two cup holders to go alongside our shifter, and additional space here inside our middle console with an aux port and a USB charge port as well. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and moving along to the right hand side of the steering wheel you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls. On the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings, and if we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in rear view camera to go alongside park sensors as well. Up top we have our power controls for our lovely sunroof, as well as our power controls for our rear liftgate. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our jet black interior leather seats with the red stitching going all along the side and the middle. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. And of course, behind each front seat there is little netting cubbies with additional storage. Inside the middle we do have our cup holders. And of course, these seats are retractable. You can find the controls up here. Just pull the lever down, and these seats will come down no problem to give you access to the back as well. Checking out the exterior here on the SLT, we do have our blacked out GMC badge in the middle of our black grille. If you make our way to the side, you'll see this vehicle does come equipped with pay protection along the front. And down below you'll find our 18-inch rims on our studless Bridgestone tires. Making our way up top, we do have chrome accents along our windows, black roof rails, and tint in the rear window as well. If we make our way to the back of the vehicle here, we also have our blacked out GMC badge at the back with our dual chrome exhaust, terrain, and all-wheel drive at the bottom as well. Opening up the liftgate here, like I mentioned earlier, it is a power liftgate. Just press the button underneath the trunk. This will pop open no problem to give you access to the back. Hooks on each side to strap in anything you might need, as well as compartments. Underneath we have our spare tire. And like I mentioned earlier, these seats are retractable to maximize your storage here in the back. And that is our 2017 GMC Terrain SLT in an Onyx Black. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.